What up? Got a new unboxing in today from StockX. Grabbed this for retail. Had a couple chances to pick these up for retail, but always missed out for some reason. But these are the J.Crew New Balance 997s. These are fire. Let's take a look. New Balance box. Got the authenticity card right over here. And here you have it. The Butterscotch 997s from J.Crew. Super nice suede. Love the brown color 997s. New Balance on the back. These are nice. Got the mesh toe box. New Balance in the insole. Check out the other pair. Oh. Got the sticker too. So there's the other pair. Happy to add these to the collection. Finally. J.Crew always does awesome collabs, and I think this one is just the top collab that they ever done. The Butterscotch. Happy to finally own this pair. Check out the bottoms. Finally got these for retail. Super happy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this new pickup. Subscribe if you guys haven't. I got more pickups coming in soon. Until the next time, see you guys later. I'm out. Peace.